Alright guys, I think I got nothing to say. Of course I say that, and then stuff comes in my brain, because that's how my brain works. My brain works that way. I think of what I want to talk about, I forget about it, and I go on tangents. Hey, how do I got 3 of these balls? Sammy right there chewing on his big stick. Think he's gonna want to play today. I've been trying to do Sunday Fun Day on Thursday. Sammy is he's a laid back fella, man. He'll run for a minute. Have I done the frisbees with him yet? Say, big guy, check it out. Think I care about that, man? I got the stick. Come on, man, I already started the video. I should have waited till he's done chewing. He'll chew for a minute, he'll want to play. Which I guess doesn't go good when I have nothing to say, right? Excuse you, pig. What you got to say is probably dumb anyways. He likes to whittle. He likes to whittle with his teeth. Little whittling. I'm on a country day, country music day. Wait, what did I start off with? Maybe not. Say, fool, I ain't got all day, man. Today's busy day. Gotta get you exercise. Look, I don't care about nothing going on. So I got my stick, man. I don't care about none of that crap. What's here? My music thing. I don't know if he likes being back in the dining room now. Like when he's in the kitchen, he would grab this little gorilla, like almost every time. Not almost, no. A couple times. He would grab his little gorilla and run up and down the kitchen. Ha ha. He's got his gorilla in that room too. But he don't, well, there's also not a run. He would have to kind of go around in a circle. Sammy! Yeah, good boy! Backing around. Oh my God, all the food I'm throwing on the ground. That's what happens when you try to give 10 pieces as your jackpot, right? Because I'm using 1 or 2 pieces, 3 pieces for everything. Good boy. Okay. Oh my God. 12 hours to go, man. It's a no break day today. Start 5 o'clock. Make it all the way to 8 o'clock. What is that? 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 hours. It's 10 o'clock. It's only 7 more hours to go. It's not that bad. Hey, why is this there? Sammy's cool, man. If I don't do no intense exercise, he don't care. I'm just gonna go inside, lay down, go to sleep. Right. But we'll always do walking, right? I'm very disciplined about exercise. If he was more high energy and he needed more intense exercise, I'm gonna try still. Right? I try to always give even the lazy bones 5 minutes of intense exercise, right? Can I get him to tug for 5 minutes or something? I already know he's not gonna chase the thing. Balls. He hasn't been digging this like the first few days was the only toy I could get him to play with was the rope toy. He hasn't been liking it. Ever since I got the bite toys out with him. He's been like, yeah, I don't care about that. Give me that. That's a laid back dude, man, for real. We did our 20-minute walk this morning, potty walk, right? Comes out and poops. Half the time I think he'd go back, even if I didn't keep him out. Like right now, kind of in a rush. Probably could have took him right back. It's not fair. I don't like that. Oh, this is what I was going. I like to say that I'm undisciplined in my discipline, and that like I'll be all sloppy and whatever. One thing I will never slack on is giving these guys the exercise they need, right? Oh, I thought that was him. Where you going, fool? I thought that I thought that what you doing, bro? I gotta give him a bath. How long you been here? Mr. Piss on your feet. With your, what is that leaf stuck on your face? He likes to pee on his front feet. Not every time. Is he in the screen, or are you guys watching grass? I think I need to call it, right? Like video-wise. There he is. What's up, Cool Breeze? Huh? What's up, Cool Breeze? Are you ready to play with me now? Let's see if we can get him to play. Have I got him to play frisbees? Do I got that straight? Yeah. I don't know if it's facing the air though. He touched it like it's a base in baseball and just kept on cruising. Well, guys, I guess you get no excitement out of Sammy. Look, man, he wants to chew the stick. It's free day today. I'm not even gonna do hill drills. I need to start doing hill drills at nighttime with him. That's what I need to do. That's what I tell people to do. Every single walk. That's what I tell people to do. I shouldn't do it myself. Do what I say, not what I do. That's a terrible way to teach, right? That's a good boy. That's what my mama said. My mom used to say that. Used to be like, do what you say, not what you do. That's not what I'm gonna do. If you don't do it, I ain't gonna do it. Huh, Sammy? If I don't do it, why should you do it? Want some freebies? Oh, good boys. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for it. Hey, cute guy. Do you want to play? Or you want to go walk around the corner? You go free walk around the corner? Say, fool, where you going? Sammy, come! Oh, I was trying to get him before he hit the pressure. There's a guy over there. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. What's going on, buddy? Right, so there I had to do pressure. 2 fingers. Sammy, come! Yeah, good boy! Very nice. Let's do an event. Make him follow. Okay, very nice. All right, dude, whatever. We're gonna go walk around the corner, pick up all my crap, get everybody else out, go to Oscar. Stop by for Maverick, go to Stella, get everybody out for the afternoon. Oh crap, I just broke my thing. Pieza de caca. Why did it break? This is my handle. I'm gonna duct tape it, dude, if I don't mess it up any worse.